Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today we're going to unbox and have a look at the Plokama Tripod. Specifically, this is the Plokama PK999 tripod. So let's unbox it. First of all, on the front of the tripod, you can see the brand name Plokama, a visual representation of the actual tripod. Again, the model is PK999 and its max height is 180 cm, which is around 5 feet. On the bottom, you're going to see two other things as well. So it comes with a remote controller. I think so it can connect to your phone via Bluetooth or to your camera, I guess. The main thing is that it comes with a phone clip. So this is very important, as nowadays a lot of people make TikTok or short videos. So having a phone holder with the tripod is quite cool. On the side, it's showing again it's for phone because they have provided the holder, obviously for cameras and camcorders. Nothing too much here. On the back, you're going to see again the same thing, the max height, the different angles you can use it with, and lastly the phone holder that they provide, which you can rotate as well for vertical or horizontal multiple angles with your DSLR. And the other side, you're going to see some other specs as well. So it has a 1/4 inch screw hole, which is universal for all camera equipment. It has a quick pressure release plate, so you can easily mount and unmount your equipment. It has a handle, it has these rubber feet, a lock at the center. It comes with a bag, so you can easily carry it, your mobile phone clip, and the remote control or self timer. So let's open it. So here it comes with the three things. First of all, your little wireless remote, your phone holder. So let's open these first. So here you have your wireless remote. As you can see, it has a little button, Plokama branding. On the back, it also has a cell as well, which is quite nice to see. And on the remote, if you see on the right side, you have this little switch. If I enable it, you see the blue light, which means it is ready to pair, most probably via Bluetooth to your phone or to your camera. So I'm going to power it off. Here we have the phone holder. As you can see, you can easily open it, and if you want to rotate it, you can do it like this. Also, you can rotate it like this, so you have pretty good motions. Here you have a 1/4 inch screw hole, and the top you also have a mounting. So if you want to, let's say, mount another light or something like that with the horseshoe, you can also do that as well. Because let's say you have placed it, you want to mount a light or a mic, you can do it with the horseshoe. So that's cool. By the way, it's fully plastic, but good high quality plastic. Let's open the bag. So this is the carry bag that you get with the tripod, which is quite cool. Here is the tripod. So first of all, you can see the build quality is quite good. Here is the handle so that you can carry it easily anywhere. If I open it, you can open it. On the bottom, you have this hole as well. So if you want to, hang any weight, you can also do that if the tripod is in a windy condition. Now if I basically move it using the dial, you can do so. Here you have a lock and unlock button as well. So now you can see it cannot move. That's good. Here you have its up down motion as well, so you can increase the height like this. And if you want to lock it, on the other side you have this little screw. Just lock it in place, and now it will not come down. So that screw is for this particular hole, as you can see right here. This one is for this particular movement, and if you want to move it further, click on this button. It should open, and now you can move it like this. So it has quite a lot of movement, so you can almost capture any kind of camera angle using this tripod. And also this is so that when you're going to mount your camera, it can look downward. Another cool thing is that basically on this side, if I loosen it up little bit, you have a level as well, which helps you a lot when adjusting your camera so that it's straight or not. You have foam right here. You have this metal body, lightweight, not very I would say heavy, which is quite good to carry. And if you want to mount your camera, you have the quick release plate on the top. So for that, if the camera can focus on it, you have this lock button, just pull it and then we can release the plate like so. And now with the quick release plate you can open this, and here I have my camera, so I'm just simply going to align with it, and we are going to tighten it because it has this little screw way thing as well. Once you have mounted the camera to the quick release plate, all you need to do is to mount it like this. Open the plate, place it in, lock it in, and yeah, that's in its place. Now you have this movement with the camera. Obviously you can increase the height, decrease the height. If you open this, you also have these different movements, and the best thing is that obviously I have placed it in the wrong way. You should not do it like this. If you're going to open the quick release plate, you can have this movement as well for top down shots using the camera. So that's quite cool. Let me just fully extend the legs as well. Now if you want to get an idea of the height of the tripod, here when it is fully closed with the camera on, in order to open it, first of all open its 3 legs, and once they have been opened you have this little rotatory lock. Just rotate it so it's locked in its place. Each of the legs have 2 of these openings, so you can extend the legs from here. And here is your tripod with all the legs opened. Again, quite sturdy, a little bit low in I would say legs quality, but again looking at the price point, it's quite okay for studio uses. And if you want to further increase the height, you also have this as well, so you can increase the camera height as well even more from this particular angle. So yeah, this was the unboxing video of the Plokama PK999 tripod, and I will be personally using it as my second tripod in my studio. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.